Hello students, today in this video we will discuss about the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect क्या होता है और इसके क्या complications होते हैं. Okay. So what is greenhouse effect? The word greenhouse effect holds two meanings. One is the natural greenhouse effect that one keeps our earth climate normal and comfortable. तो एक greenhouse effect होता है जो कि natural होता है. दूसरा होता है on the other hand एक होता है man made greenhouse effect which is an enhancement of natural greenhouse made from burning fossil fuels, petroleum, कोल एंड नेचुरल गैसेस. तो एक तो होता है नेचुरल ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट जो कि हमारी अर्थ को के क्लाइमेट को नॉर्मल रखता है और दूसरा मैन मेड होता है जो कि बर्निंग फॉसिल फ्यूल्स या पेट्रोलियम कोल से उत्पन्न होता है और उससे अर्थ क्या होती है नेचुरल से ज़्यादा वार्म हो जाती है. नेचुरल ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. Natural greenhouse effect is made from the heat energy radiated from the sun. Greenhouse gases are naturally they are present naturally in the atmosphere. Sunlight goes through the atmosphere and it warms the earth in a cycle. The cycle continues through the atmosphere as the gases absorb energy at the same time while the leftovers go to the space. And this is very well explained in the diagram. You can go through this picture. Some sun energy trapped in earth makes the earth warmer and comfortable. इसका क्या मतलब है कि जो एनर्जी सन एनर्जी होती है वो अर्थ ट्रैप कर लेता है जिससे कि अर्थ वार्म रहती है और कुछ क्या होती हैं वापस रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो जाती हैं एटमॉस्फेयर को. Now what is man-made effects? Activities by man या human activities result in production of greenhouse gases. While the amounts of gases increase in the atmosphere, it increases the stability of the greenhouse gases changes causing effect on the whole world. Greenhouse effects caused by burning fossil fuel coal, oil, natural gases, cutting and burning trees producing carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases trap heat making earth warmer and creating global warming. What causes greenhouse effects? One of the main causes of global warming is the greenhouse effect. When the production of infrared energy in the atmosphere warms the planet's surface, it is known as greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural cause that is happening on our planet. The natural causes of the greenhouse effects are the releasing of gases like nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone and water vapors. Carbon dioxide itself is guilty for the greenhouse effect. One of the man-made causes of the greenhouse effect is erosion. Deforestation increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Also, due to the loss of trees, photosynthesis cannot take place. Deforestation is the main cause of the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases also can be released into the atmosphere due to the burning of fossil fuels, oil, coal, natural gases. These materials are used more and more violently in industries. Therefore, industries are also a major cause of greenhouse effect. Okay, the other man-made cases of the increase in the greenhouse effect are due to the emission of such gases any or all electrical appliances. Even the poor refrigerator in the house emits gases which contribute to the greenhouse effect. These gases are known as chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, and are used in the refrigerators, aerosol cans and some foaming agents in the packaging industry. Fire extinguishers, chemicals and cleaners used in the electronic industry. Other man-made processes that contribute and are a cause of the greenhouse effect are the burning of gasoline, oil and coal. Population growth also is an indirect contributor and one of the causes of the greenhouse effect. With the increase in population, the needs and wants of the people increases. How does the greenhouse effect work? मतलब ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट किस तरह से काम करता है. द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट वर्क्स लाइक एन एक्चुअल ग्रीन हाउस, अ प्लेस टू कीप ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स नाइस एंड वार्म. This is the same process that keeps the earth and the life on the earth nice and warm. मतलब जिस तरह से ग्रीन हाउस काम करता है कि वो अपने जो उसके अंदर जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनको वार्म रखता है, नाइस रखता है, इसी तरह से अर्थ का जो है ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट वर्क करता है. Visible light enters the top of the earth's atmosphere. Some of it is scattered by the air molecules and most of it is reflected back into the space. When the sun's rays hit the earth, 70% of the energy stay on the planet, absorbed by the land, oceans, plants and other things, and the other 30% reflects back into the outer space by clouds. But the 70% doesn't stay on the earth forever. The things around the planet that absorb the sun's heat eventually radiate a portion of that heat back out at a different wavelength. Okay? This process keeps the earth in radiative equilibrium. The sun's rays continuously hitting the earth, warming it, and then the warm earth sends back the radiation back into the space, cooling itself. Some of that released radiation makes it into space and the rest of it ends up reflected back down to earth when it hits certain things in the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide, methane gas and water vapor. The car windows, the heat that doesn't make it out through earth's atmosphere keeps the planet warmer than it is in the outer space because more energy is coming in through the atmosphere than is going out. मतलब जितनी एनर्जी सन से एंटर हो रही है उससे कम क्या हो रहा है, बाहर जा रही है. दिस इज़ द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. और जिससे क्या हो जाता है, जो अर्थ है वो वार्म हो जाती है. ये पिक्चर है जिससे कि जो कि पहले एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं कि कितना पोर्शन किस तरह से अर्थ में आ रहा है, कितना रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है और कितना एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है. So you can go through these pictures. Now what are the greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gas is any gas that accumulates lower energy infrared radiation. These gases consist of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, troposphere, ozone and nitrous oxide. Water vapor produced by the sun's heat emission makes up a maximum of 4% of the air, causes about 2/3 of the greenhouse effect. Higher temperature is equal to more water vapor. Okay. Then comes the carbon dioxide. Both man-made and naturally produced, दोनों तरह से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होती है. It accounts for the 385 ppm of the atmosphere, responsible for about 25% of the natural greenhouse effect on the earth, and carbon sinks help remove carbon dioxide emission from the air. Then comes the methane. It is produced both by human sources and naturally. Less quantities of methane in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. Methane molecules are more capable of absorbing thermal energy than carbon dioxide molecules. Then ozone. It exists naturally, creates the layer protecting the earth from the sun's high energy UV radiation rays, and then it acts as a greenhouse gas in the troposphere. Then nitrous oxide. It is produced naturally and by human sources. It lower density in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. Molecules 300 times more effective as a greenhouse gas than a carbon dioxide molecule. इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑन सी लेवल्स. अब जो ग्रीन हाउस के इफ़ेक्ट है वो सी लेवल पर क्या इफ़ेक्ट डालते हैं वो. राइजिंग टेम्परेचर कॉज वाटर ऑफ द ओशन अलॉन्ग विद द सी टू इंक्रीज. मतलब जो सी का जो वाटर का टेम्परेचर है वो बढ़ जाता है. इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर मेल्ट आइज एट इट स्टार्ट्स टू फ्लो इनटू द सीज ऑफ द एंटार्क्टिक एंड ग्रीनलैंड. Sea level rise by 20 to 40 centimeters, causing floods in areas with low coast areas, example Bangladesh and Netherlands. Then flood in many areas, case a danger for living things. इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑन फार्मिंग, अब इसका खेती पर क्या प्रभाव हो सकता है। इट चेंजेस इन द वेदर इफेक्ट द ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, मतलब जब ज़्यादा चेंजेस हो जाएंगे अर्थ के टेम्परेचर में तो नेचुरली प्लांट्स पे भी फ़र्क पड़ेगा। क्रॉप्स ऑफ व्हीट एंड राइस grow well in high temperatures. Sugarcane and maize doesn't survive in high temperature and end up dying. Furthermore, changes in the amount of rainfall affect the growth, leading to the shortage of food. Southeastern part of the world will be affected as possible will suffer without food, as people will suffer without food. Then effects on water. Countries all over the world will be affected. Britain and Southeast will have a risk of droughts. Africa won't have enough water. Then effect on weather. Weather पे क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है? Increasing in greenhouse gases will change weather around the world. Northwestern countries have an increase of temperature. Summers and winters much hotter. Some places will become hotter and wetter while some will be dry and cooler. The world will change with droughts, storms and floods. Means सब कुछ uneven हो जाएगा. Effects on people and animals. Changes make it hard for humans to adjust and adapt to climate. Avoiding all the disasters moving from one place to another will be hard. While weather and temperature changes, the homes of the plants and animals will be affected. Moving ocean animals like seals will be hard. New homes for animals may not be safe, causing loss in the animal population. Now the main thing is how to prevent man-made greenhouse effect, कि हम इसको अपनी डेली एक्टिविटी से किस तरह से कम कर सकते हैं और अर्थ को एक बेटर प्लेस बना सकते हैं. वेस्टफुल बाइंग. इफ़ यू डोंट नीड और ट्रूली वांट समथिंग, डोंट बाय इट. इट इज़ गोइंग टू एंड अप इन द गार्बेज. मतलब आपको यदि कोई भी चीज़ नहीं चाहिए तो उसे मत खरीदो. टर्न ऑफ द लाइट्स व्हेन यू लीव द रूम. ये आपकी सबकी आदत होनी चाहिए कि जब भी आप रूम से निकलें लाइट को स्विच ऑफ कर दें. डोंट लीव योर टेलीविज़न ऑन व्हाइल यू गो टू स्लीप. Only turn on water when you need it. For example, turn it off while you are putting toothpaste on the toothbrush. Turn it back on when you need it. Reduce, reuse and recycle. मतलब जो भी चीज़ें आप कर रहे हैं उसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनको रिड्यूस कीजिए. कोशिश कीजिए यदि वो रीयूज़ हो सकती है या रिसाइकल हो सकती है. तो these 3 R's are more important for the sustainable environment. Reduce the things that you need. Reuse items that you have until they are no longer any good. Recycle all that is possible. In certain areas, not recycling is starting to become illegal. Choose natural gas over coal and oil every chance you get. For example, when barbecuing, get a hybrid of an electric car. When shopping for that new car. If this is not possible, choose a small car that gets good gas mileage. Form an environment club in your high school, college or community. Walk to place or get there by bike. It will improve your health and the health of your planet. Get involved in tree planting projects, क्योंकि जितने ज़्यादा ट्रीज़ होंगे उतना हार्मफुल गैसेस कम एमिट होएगी या उनका इफ़ेक्ट कम होएगा. सो रिस्पेक्ट द अर्थ. थैंक यू सो मच.